I'm going to take advantage of the warm weather today and see what we can find for early winter edibles at Trapp Falls and a couple places in Pepperell, Mass. This is the water source of Trapp Falls in Ashby, Mass. I'm guessing with all the rain we've had, it'll be a pretty spectacular view today, but in the summer it sometimes will dry up or just be a trickle, but it seems like they're doing some work here as well. This is kind of a neat mushroom that has polysaccharides and beta-glucans in it. It's Piptoporus betulinus, and usually they come out almost like a very wide tongue. This is squished between two birch trees. And you'll see these covering older, decaying birch trees. These are a little bit healthier than some of them, but this particular part of the tree is dead, so they're part of the decay process for birch. All conifers, including hemlocks, can be used as a tea. The inner bark was traditionally used and ground up. Only the cambium though, because the rest of it's pretty woody. And that was used as a flour or a carbohydrate source. But for our purposes, you can use leaves as a source of vitamin C. And they can either be frozen once harvested, or they could be dried out in a dehydrator or in an oven on a low temperature, and then brewed by the handful in a tea. And they have about 10 times the amount of vitamin C in an orange, so pretty efficient way of consuming vitamin C. And if you were to combine it with the rind of a lemon, or even an orange as well, it would have the bioflavonols necessary to assimilate even more of it, so you could have even more bioavailable vitamin C if you chose to do that. It's hemlock and any pine.